Welcome back, YouTube. So every time I go out in one of the cars, come across a little problem. Is they come back black, especially this time of year. And the Subaru, any road salt I have to rinse straight off because it's not yet undersealed, not yet waxed. So every time I go out in it, I clean all the backs of the arches, I hose pipe underneath and put, as typical, you put your thumb over the end, don't you, of a hose, get a bit more pressure. My neighbour come round, he says, what you need, Dave, is rather than pulling Karcher out and rigmarole, is you need one of these little battery powered jet washers. Now, I didn't even know they did them. So yeah, he recommended I get one of these like little WORX jet washers. So let's have a look. So yeah, I've obviously been in the box already. It's WORX Hydro Shot, up to 10 times the pressure of your normal garden hose. Now, what you do, you put, as you see, look, you put your little hose pipe on bottom, and you've got adjustable pressure ends. So yeah, it comes with obviously that's your trigger. The only thing I find annoying about this is this rubbish little button you got to press in. Awkward. It's like you could do with cutting it off. Got a brew, obviously obligatory. So yeah, it comes with lance, and you just clip this end in. You've got like different variable pressure bits, but it looks really good quality. This was worked out at 100 quid for this. This was the cheapest one. They do different pressure ones, and one of them, they do comes with 2 batteries, but nowhere had it in stock, and I wanted one, so I can get another battery, can't I, if I want. So yeah, even if you haven't got water supply, which is good, so say if you go to like a car show or something and it gets, it's crappy going there and you want to wash your car, you can take like, say if you took like a little can of water, one of them big plastic tubs of water, you actually just drop that in and it will draw the water itself, which is pretty good. So obviously that end to your jet wash, that to your tub of water, winner. No electric required or nothing. So yeah, let's rig it up. So again guys, just literally pushes in, so you could like disconnect it and just keep it under the sink is what I do. So give it a push in, job's a good one. And I've obviously I've had the battery on charge. Cortina there, look, I'm out in the cold. So yeah, I've had battery on charge. Let me put this Bobby Dazzler down. So if you look, it's just like a little Makita battery. Not a bad little thing, to be honest. It's got like a power indicator, so that's obviously common sense. Three lights is full. So yeah, just pretty much clips in. So let's go outside and give it a go. So what I've got here is I've got an hot water tap, so I use this filling the hot tub up. Saves on electric, you see. Comes with a little protective sticker, so you take that off. So yeah, literally just plug her on, job's a good one. Hose on. I don't know what, we're on 25 p. So what we have there, we're on 25, 15. I don't know if you guys can see that, 0. That's like a high pressure jet, so I think I'll stay on 15. So a quick wash over, guys, rinsed any dirt. To be fair, there weren't a great deal of muck on the car, but give this little contraption a go. Seems to be doing a good job. Miles there, I'm messing about with extension leads and all that bollocks. It's a right chew, innit? You don't want to get all that crap out. Just to quickly wash the car off. I fairly like this thing as well. I'm doing this with one hand. Like I missed a bit there on boot wheels. Too late, isn't it? God, it just gets in and get what's all inside the arches. As few of you have noticed, original wheels are back on. Happy about that. Loads better. I'll show you actually on our Doris's car. So this is just grime on back. See how good it is. Yeah, it's not bad really, that. You can see all the shite there. And not a bad little bit of kit really. The battery, after that, basically going around car twice, is down to 1. So I'm going to say you're probably going to jet wash one car off properly. Well, that's not bad really. It's only a little 2AH lithium ion, so, but you do get these which come with 2 batteries, so that's not too bad really. Got Subaru finished. Thought, still some battery left in it. Let's see how much of a Peugeot I can get done. So pretty much managed to get around all the Peugeot. I haven't washed this by hand. This is just probably 3 weeks worth of shite. Took off just solely with a little pressure washer. So you see, does a good job. Really impressed by it, to be honest. Charge time on it's about 3.5 hours. For two different models which have got an hour charge time, but this is a 3.5 hour charge time, so yeah, and then it just comes to bits like that and just put it back under your cupboard. Happy days. Not most exciting video, guys, but at least it kind of shows you what you can get for your money. I mean, that's a godsend really. By the time I'd gone in garage, pulled catch out, unravelled all the line for it, unravelled the power cable for it, dug the extension lead out, dragged everything, cables everywhere, tripping up. You know what it's like. It's just a blag. You get this little contraption for £100. Definitely recommend getting one like. So anyway, cheers for coming and having a watch. Bit boring, but show you a new little gadget, doesn't it? So, right, cheers guys.